The market rally has been incredible, bar a couple of companies. All of my holdings are up by a significant amount. Now, while I love to see the gains, I prefer to see them down so I can build on the positions. In this video, we're going to go through my July dividend payments. My name is Alex and this is Dividend Income. My current dividend portfolio stands at $44,067.34. It's an increase of just over 9.35% from June. No surprising given the market gains edging closer to the 50,000 barrier, as we can see on this graph, more than double where I was last year. I had 9 dividend payments this month. As usual, I'll go through the quarterly ones first, followed by my regular monthly payers. First up is Altria Group, ticker symbol MO. The dividend payment was for $18.80 from a total of 20 shares, paying a dividend of 94 cents. This was paid on the 10th of July. The next dividend payment is the 10th of August, and the ex-dividend date cutoff is the 14th of September. The yield is currently 8.25%. It has had a 52-week high of $48.11 and a 52-week low of $40.35. Not much happening with Altria at the moment. Earnings are scheduled on August 1st. It'll be interesting to see how it does. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $47.58, which is 4.34% upside. Next up is Cisco, ticker symbol CSCO. Dividend payment was for $1.95 from a total of 5 shares, paying a dividend of 39 cents each. The payment was paid on the 26th of July. Next one is due on the 25th of October, and the ex-cutoff is the 3rd of October. The yield is currently 2.94%. It's had a 52-week high of $53.88 and a low of $38.60. This is a stock I want to add to. You can see a video I posted on Cisco here. I've been waiting for the stock price to drop. Ever since May 4th, the force has been incredibly strong. Once I've built up the other positions, I will dollar cost average in. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $55.46, which is 4.64% upside. Next up is Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO. The dividend payment was for $36.80 from 80 shares, paying 41 cents each. The payment was paid on the 3rd of July. Next dividend payment is the 2nd of October, and the ex-cutoff is the 14th of September. The yield is currently 2.95%. It's had a 52-week high of $65.47 and low of $54.02. Coca-Cola had an impressive Q2. Highlights included growth in net revenues, operating income and EPS. Operating margin was down a little, but overall good news. Analyst price targets reflect this. Average 12-month is $72.38, which is 15.92% upside. A dependable stock that you can hold forever. Next up is Franklin Resources, ticker symbol BEN. The dividend payment was for $4.50 from 15 shares, paying a dividend of 30 cents each. The payment was on the 14th of July. The next payment is the 13th of October, and the ex-dividend date cutoff the 28th of September. The yield is currently 4.22%. It's had a 52-week high of $34.36 and low of $20.24. It hit $30 again on the 19th of July. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $25.13, which is 11.55% downside. I can see why they have this target. Zooming out, the highest it's been is in the high 50s in 2014. Then we have to go back to 2004 to see it matching its 52-week low. Although a solid dividend payer, I may decide to cash out and reinvest, as I have a big segment of my portfolio in the financial sector. Next up is JPMorgan, ticker symbol JPM. The payment was for $20 from a total of 20 shares, paying a dividend of $1 each. The payment was the 31st of July. Next payment is the 31st of October, and ex-dividend date cut off the 5th of October. The yield is 2.56%. It's at a 52-week high of $158.78 with a low of $101.28. I've been waiting for the price to come down for ages. This might be another dollar cost average stock. Analysts don't see JPMorgan slowing down with a 12-month price target of $170.43, which is 9.28% upside. Next I will fly through my monthly payers. JPMorgan Equity Premium ETF, ticker symbol JEPI. Payment was for $16.53 from a total of 46 shares. Next up, Main Street Capital Corporation, ticker symbol MAIN. Payment was for $16.33 from a total of 71 shares. Then Realty Income, ticker symbol O. The payment was for $13.54 from a total of 53 shares. And then finally STAG, ticker symbol STAG. The payment was for 86 cents from a total of 7 shares. This takes the total of the month to $129.31. The monthly progress has been okay. Next month is on track to be my biggest ever payment, so looking forward to that. The total for the year is at $845.44, nearly double last year's income. Bring on August. As always, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.